Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, July 10th, here at KIT Iizuka. We have only this week left until we're going to start our tests from next week. Starting next week, we're going to be in our tests. So the first test will be conversation test next week. And after that will be your Moodle test. The final Moodle test will be pretty much the same as the midterm test. Some of you mentioned to me that you thought the tests were a little bit difficult. And I thought, okay, yeah, maybe. So I'm going to try to make the final Moodle test a little bit easier for you. And that starts with today. Instead of looking at shadow talking, we're going to be using Quizlet. Anyway, I don't want to go too far ahead. First thing on the topic, let's see here. If you have not yet sent in your semester feedback, please do so. I really do listen to this, and if you have any opinions about what's good, but I especially listen to the things that you say that this is not good. I'm happy if you like the class, but I know what most of my students like about the class. But if you tell me what you don't like, then I can improve the class. For example, last week, one or two, maybe more of you thought that the quizzes and the test, the midterm test was too difficult. And I thought, oh, okay. So that information, I use that. So please send in your feedback if you can, if you haven't yet done that. Now, there's one more thing that I have to ask you to do that's a little bit unusual, is that last week we sent in our partner name, let's go here. Partner name and student submission. But I made a mistake actually just today, just this morning, and I have to ask you to do it again. If you look in here, okay, there are no submissions, there's zero. Because I made a mistake and I accidentally deleted that. So if you look at your computer or on your phone right now, I need you to do this again, okay? I would like you to send it in again. And remember, I want you to do this in Roman letters, okay? I think there were 3 people who did not send in their name yet. And those people I will talk to after this. Okay, but I apologize, I'm sorry, but I need you to send in your name again. So you can do that a little bit later. Let's see, your homework for this week is basically another reflection on concluding sentences. Why is this taking so long? Let me take this off. On concluding sentences. Now, I suggest that you take this quiz after you do this video and its reflection. Okay, so I suggest you watch the video, do the reflection, maybe take a break, or maybe the next day do the quiz. You can do it in any order you want, but it's going to be easier for you if you do the reflection first and then do the quiz afterwards. Okay. Now, about the conversation test. Okay. So we're going to be having a conversation test on these 5 topics. So you chose partners, and those partners randomly I'll put into groups of 4, and I'll be asking you to come in, oops, yeah, on a schedule. Why is it doing that? Okay, on a schedule. Okay, on a schedule according to this. So there are going to be 8 groups, and each group will take about 10 minutes, okay? So these 10 minutes here, these are the schedule for the start time and the end time. Okay, I'll explain this more in Japanese, but basically you'll be here to talk to me over one topic, okay? Over one topic. Those topics, okay, are here listed up: friends, music, TV, money, high school. And your group, once you meet, you can choose that topic. Once you sit together with me, then you'll have your conversation, and yeah, shouldn't be too difficult for you. Okay. Okay. Now, don't worry, I'll explain all of this in Japanese, but I needed to say that a little bit in English. Oh, also one more thing for the people who did not come today. I want you to see what that looks like. This is the conversation test assessment form. There's topic number 1, topic number 2, and most importantly, don't forget to sign your name when you come into the room, okay? Just like signing the signing sheet that we have every week, this is how I know that you were here. Okay, if you have any questions about anything else, please don't forget to contact me with it, or you can come talk to me after this class is done. Let's have a good class, everybody, and good luck with your tests.